Stumbled upon a WPT file? You're dealing with a Microsoft Works word processor template, a format from an era before Office dominated everything. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open or convert this legacy document template. We'll start with the common fixes, but keep this in mind. I have a specialized WPT tool that functions as a deep-level recovery option. That's Plan B. WPT files are document template files for Microsoft Works word processor. They store pre-formatted document layouts, text styles, headers, and footers for creating consistently formatted documents in the Microsoft Works productivity suite for home users. Microsoft Works WPT template files use a proprietary binary format specific to the Works word processor engine. They contain document structure formatting rules and placeholder content designed to serve as starting points for new document creation in Works. For reliable opening, Microsoft Word by Microsoft Corporation offers the best solution for WPT. The files, embedded objects, and layers require specialized software for full access. Windows supports minimal document functionality, so full access depends on appropriate tools. We are performing the initial software environment diagnostic. Right-click your WPT file and choose Open With. Test with Microsoft Word first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software switch. If the WPT file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Since the software rejected the file, we need to find the root cause. Here are the 3 essential steps we will take right now to isolate the problem. First, opening WPT files. Microsoft Works has been discontinued. Try opening WPT files in LibreOffice Writer, which has limited support for Works formats. Alternatively, use the Microsoft Works 6.9 file converter, available as a free download from Microsoft to convert WPT to doc format. Next, converting to modern format. After installing the Works converter, open the WPT template in Microsoft Word, which uses the converter to translate the format. Save the result as docx for modern compatibility. Review formatting carefully after conversion, as some elements may not transfer perfectly. Finally, extracting content without conversion. If conversion tools fail, open the WPT file in a hex editor or plain text viewer to extract readable text content. Works documents store text in a semi-readable format, allowing manual recovery of document content that can be reformatted in a modern word processor. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.